Are you ready to unleash the full power of your PS5? Imagine experiencing blazing fast load times, smoother gameplay, and seamless performance, all without breaking the bank. Whether you're upgrading to expand your storage or boost performance, picking the right SSD can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, we'll break down the top SSDs for PS5, focusing on performance, price, and everything you need to know to make the best choice. And stay tuned, because at the end of the video, I'll share some fantastic budget-friendly alternatives you won't want to miss. Let's dive in. Section 1. Why you need an SSD upgrade. The PS5 is incredible, but here's the catch. The built-in storage can fill up fast. With many games now exceeding 100 gigabytes, a few titles can leave you struggling for space. Plus, you want an SSD that not only increases your storage, but also meets Sony's strict requirements for speed and compatibility. And that's exactly what we'll cover today. Section 2. Sony's requirements for PS5 SSDs. Before we jump into the SSD recommendations, let's quickly talk about Sony's requirements. To work with the PS5, an SSD needs PCIe Gen 4.0 NVMe technology, at least 5500 megabytes read speed, a capacity of 250 gigabyte to 4 terabyte. And don't forget, you'll need a heatsink for cooling. Some SSDs come with built-in heatsinks, while others require you to install one yourself. Don't worry, I'll flag which is which as we go along. Section 3. Top SSDs for PS5. WD Black SN850X SSD 2 terabyte. The first SSD on our list is the WD Black SN850X 2 terabytes. This powerhouse is built with gamers in mind, offering insane read speeds of up to 7,300 megabytes per second. What sets the SN850X apart is its Game Mode 2.0, which optimizes performance for high-intensity gaming sessions. Price around $146 to $190. Heatsink. Available in both heatsink and non-heatsink models. If you're looking for a balance between speed, reliability, and affordability, this one's a top contender. 2. Samsung 990 Pro 2 terabyte. Next up is the Samsung 990 Pro 2 terabyte, a name that screams performance. It's one of the fastest SSDs out there, with read speeds of up to 7,450 megabytes per second. Samsung's dynamic thermal guard technology ensures the drive stays cool under pressure, which is crucial for gaming on the PS5. Price around $180 to $210. Heatsink, also available in a version with a heatsink. This SSD not only delivers top-tier speeds, but also has exceptional durability, making it a perfect long-term investment. 3. Acer Predator GM7000 4 terabyte. For those of you who want massive storage without compromising speed, the Acer Predator GM7000 4 TB is a game-changer. It offers 7,400 megabytes per second read speeds and enough space to hold an entire library of PS5 games. Price, around $169 $350, which is great for a 4 terabyte SSD. Heatsink, no built-in heatsink, so you'll need to purchase one separately. If you're tired of constantly deleting games, this SSD is the solution. 4. Silicon Power US75 2 terabyte. If you're looking for a high-performance SSD at a lower price, the Silicon Power US75 2 terabyte is an excellent choice. It offers 7,000 megabytes per second read speeds, meeting all the PS5's requirements. While it's not as feature-packed as the Samsung or WD models, it gets the job done at a fraction of the cost. Price, around $99. Heatsink, no built-in heatsink. For budget-conscious gamers, this SSD is hard to beat. Section 4. Great alternatives. 1. SK Hynix Platinum P41 2 terabyte. Another excellent option is the SK Hynix Platinum P41 2 terabytes, with speeds of up to 7,000 per second. Known for their reliability and efficient performance, this SSD is perfect for gamers who want quality without overspending. Price around $135 to $170. Heatsink, no built-in heatsink. 2. NeTAC NV7000 2 terabyte with heatsink. The NeTAC NV7000 2 terabyte is a budget-friendly SSD that comes with a pre-installed heatsink. It offers 7,000 megabytes per second read speeds and great value for the price. Price around $130 to $150. If you want a plug-and-play SSD without worrying about adding a heatsink, this is a great pick. 3. Samsung 990 Pro 4 terabyte. For those who need the best of the best, the Samsung 990 Pro 4 terabyte is a no-brainer. With 7,450 megabyte per second read speeds and exceptional build quality, it's perfect for gamers who want both speed and storage. Price around $350 to $400. While it's on the pricier side, the performance and capacity are unmatched. Section 5. Tips for buying and installing. Here are a few quick tips to make your SSD upgrade seamless. Check compatibility. Always ensure the SSD meets Sony's requirements. Go for a built-in heatsink. If you're new to upgrading, save yourself the hassle and pick an SSD with a pre-installed heatsink. Installation is easy. You just need a screwdriver, and the PS5 makes it simple with its dedicated M.2 slot. Budget versus performance. Decide what's more important, speed or storage size, and pick accordingly. So there you have it, the best SSDs for your PS5, no matter your budget or storage needs. Whether you go for the lightning-fast Samsung 990 Pro or the budget-friendly Silicon Power US 75, upgrading your PS5 storage is a game-changer. Which SSD caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.